This is our penthouse, and all of the penthouses face the city. They have these wonderful windows and the wonderful view. So this floor plan is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it is 1,650 square feet. And this unit also has its own pantry. And these bedrooms have these wonderful oversized closets. And attached bath with 2 sinks. And this one has the double sinks as well. This one has the shower, and then the other one has the bathtub. This spacious laundry room.
Hold on,